So, dear students, today we'll be talking about number of signals in NMR spectrum. Till now I have told you that all the protons they absorb at the same effective field strength, and for that we need to apply different applied field strength because environment of protons is different. So in today's video I'll try to let you know कि how the environment of proton is different and that makes that proton absorb at a different frequency or at the different applied field strength. So first of all, set of protons are said to be equivalent if they have same environment, and the protons are non-equivalent if they have different environment. Now what do we mean by environment? You can understand it by a very simple example. I have written here chloroethane, CH3, CH2, Cl, and I have written A and B type of proton. Even if I don't explain you anything, you must be clear that 3 methyl protons, they are different from 2 methylene protons. CH2 proton means methylene protons, and their environment looks different because these methylene protons, they are close to Cl and methyl protons are away from it, and so the environment of these two is different from these three. So they are non-equivalent with respect to each other and they give different signals. Now what about these three protons जिनको हमने सबको A categorize कर दिया? तो ये तीनों प्रोटॉन इक्वल हैं because all the three are attached to carbon tetrahedrally and the environment of all the three is same. Similarly, these two in themselves are equivalent because they are attached to the same carbon and their environment is same. Likewise, we can quote other examples, say chloropropane. Here I have written three types of protons A, B and C, right? And again you can visualize it कि these two are close to Cl, they are away and they are still far away from this, and chloro is an electron withdrawing group. It shows minus I effect and inductive effect decreases with chain length. So effect of Cl on all the three is different, so these three are having different environment. Now chemically different environment are also magnetically equivalent, and NMR में we consider the magnetic behavior of the protons. Similarly, now move on to the next compound. It is 2-bromopropane. Here I have written A to these and A to these, and second middle one is B. Means we have now two types of protons A and B, and you can clearly visualize again that these three methyl protons, they are same because their distance from the electron withdrawing bromo group is the same, so their chemical and magnetic environment is same. These 6 protons, they give one signal, and this one proton gives another signal, so we'll get two signals because there are two types of protons. Likewise, we can quote so many other examples. You can read yourself from the book also. Now another last example, that is 1,2-dibromoethane. Here all the protons are same. I have written A on both types of proton because these two CH2 protons, they are close to bromo. These two are also close to bromo. Their environment is same. There is symmetric plane, means this part, these two are similar to these two. So all the 4 protons give one signal, and that is for 4 protons because all the 4 are equivalent in nature. तो अभी तक तो I have given you example of all the protons where we can clearly find out कि which are equivalent and which are non-equivalent. Now how can we find out? If we have some complex example, there should be some method to find out equivalent and non-equivalent nature. First simple example of chloroethane, CH3, CH2, Cl. Now these CH2 protons we need to find out कि ये दोनों प्रोटॉन सेम है एक ही कार्बन पे जो लगे हुए, क्योंकि अभी मैंने ये कहा कि क्योंकि ये दोनों एक ही कार्बन पे लगे हैं तो ये दोनों सेम है, इक्विवेलेंट है. In order to find out, we use replacement method. First replace the H on the right hand side by some other group, say Z. तो हमें जो इसका substituted partner मिलेगा, that will be this one. Now in second case, we replace the left hand side proton by Z, and then we get this particular substituted compound. Now look at these two, and if you place mirror between them, you will see that they are mirror images of each other, right now? And mirror images are called enantiomers. Enantiomeric या enantiotopic protons, they are magnetically equivalent, chemically equivalent, so they will just give one signal. So this H and this H are equivalent in nature. But now I give this another example, that is 1,2-dichloropropane, CH3, CHCl, CH2Cl. See, now CH3 I have written from below formula, CH3, CHCl, CH2Cl, which I have marked by the tick sign. Now the group on the right has been replaced by Z, and in the next group on the hydrogen on the left has been replaced by Z. Now visualize these two. ये वाले जो दो कंपाउंड हैं, इनको विजुलाइज करो. सेंटर में मिरर रखो. आर दे मिरर इमेजेस? नो, बिकॉज वी हैव जस्ट replaced this above H and H by Z. Rest of the structure is the same. That has not been substituted. और ये दोनों कंपाउंड एक दूसरे के मिरर इमेज नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ Cl राइट इधर है, इसमें Cl अगर लेफ्ट हो जाता तो ठीक था, लेकिन ये तो राइट पे ही है अगले में. तो ऐसे कंपाउंड्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? डायास्टीरियोमेरिक कंपाउंड्स. मीन्स दीज प्रोटॉन्स, ये वाले जो CH2, ये जो CH2 वाले प्रोटॉन हैं, ये क्या है? These are not enantiotopic, these are diastereomeric protons, and diastereomeric protons, they are magnetically non-equivalent, so they will give different signal, though they are present on the same carbon, but I have marked them as C and D. They are different. So one signal for methyl, one for this H, one for proton C, and one for proton D. अगर हम इसको खोल के ना लिखते स्ट्रक्चर को और ऐसे ही लिखते CH3, CHCl, CH2Cl, तो तुम कहते एक ये प्रोटॉन, एक ये प्रोटॉन और दो ये प्रोटॉन, मतलब तीन प्रोटॉन के, तीन टाइप के प्रोटॉन एक्सपेक्ट करके तीन सिग्नल बोलते. दैट मिस्टेक इज वेरी यूजुअली बीइंग डन बाय ऑल, बट इफ वी open up the structure, we find that we get actually 4 signals because there are 4 types of protons.